In this video, we'll see how in OpenKM we can export search results to a CSV file, including all document metadata. First, we'll go to the OpenKM search page. In this example, we'll run a search by name. As you can see, a document appears as a result in the panel on the right. Next, we'll open the document properties and in the Metadata tab, we'll check which metadata has been assigned. In the top right corner, you will find the Export to CSV option. When you click it, you must select the metadata group you want to include and add it. This step is very important. If you don't add the group, the metadata won't be exported. Finally, we click Export. When we open the CS file, we'll see both the document properties and the included metadata fields. And that's it. Now we know how to export any OpenKM query to CSV with all its metadata included.